What is going on, everybody? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Google Pixel 4 XL against the OnePlus 7T Pro. So we have the Snapdragon 855 versus the Snapdragon 855 Plus. Both of the phones have a clean version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Google Pixel 4 XL. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on Android 10. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the OnePlus 7T Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on Android 10. It has the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Just before running the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the OnePlus 7T Pro wins by 6 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the OnePlus 7T Pro wins by 4 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the OnePlus 7T Pro won by 6 points. In round 2, the OnePlus 7T Pro won by 4 points, and it was just fractionally slower than the OnePlus 7T Pro. As for the price difference, the Pixel 4 XL costs £130 more than the OnePlus 7T Pro, and it also has a better camera. But other than that, the OnePlus 7T Pro is a much better phone. You get 4 times the storage, a much bigger battery, faster charger, and the ability to record 4K at 60 frames per second. If I had to choose, I will go for the OnePlus 7T Pro, as you save more money and you have a lot more storage. But if you want the best camera performance, then that's the Pixel 4 XL. So what did you think of this comparison video? Do you own or plan to buy either of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.